Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This channel is called Hair by Mechi. In this channel we make tutorial concerning anything about hair. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you are new here, please subscribe, press the notification bell, thumbs up, likes and share. Please, I'm begging you, let's keep the train moving. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have been part of me, thank you. You know, I always said I love you guys. Thank you so much. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pretty wig. Can't you see? So I'm going to show you how I made this wig from start to finish. Keep watching, stay tuned. I love you. Welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be needing mannequin head, wig cap, which I've already placed and pinned it down. Then we'll be needing glue gun. Then if you want to use needle and thread, you can use needle and thread, but in this tutorial I'm going to use glue gun. Then we'll be needing pin. Then we'll be needing ear extension, straw coils ear extension. So this is all what we'll be needing. Let's get started. Like I said, it's your choice. You can use glue gun, you can use ear glue, you can as well use needle and thread. So you continue arranging it this way until you get to the top. We are going to cut it open this way. guys, this is the finishing. Then your choice. If you like, you can cut it open. If you like, you can use it like this. You can cut it. So it's two way. You can leave it this way, or you can cut it open to make afro. You can cut it open this way. Okay, I've cut some parts open. I don't want to cut everything open because it will shed. If I cut it away, it will cut it really open. So I've cut some parts open. I don't want to really cut everything open because let me show you an example. If I cut it open, it will shed everything. See, like this. See, it will shed away. So I just try to cut some parts open and trim it. So I'm going to cut the nets out. Guys, this is the final look. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I will put all my details in the description below. Please, 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 you know I always say I love you, and you know I love you. Please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video it will notify you. Like and share my video, and if you want me to make any videos or tutorial concerning anything about hair, please comment below. Comment in below. I will definitely do it for you guys. I love you. Subscribe. Let's keep the train moving.